Hello, this is Sania Patel and you're welcome to HW News English. The Shadnagar police filed a case against BJP candidate Navneet Rana on Friday. Her statement came during a recent election campaign of BJP's Hyderabad candidate Madhvi Lata, saying that voting for Congress is like supporting Pakistan. This led to a complaint by election supervising officials.
प्रधानमंत्री और आपसे सभी लोगों से विनती करूंगी कि आप लोगों ने अगर कांग्रेस को वोट किया तो इसका मतलब वो सीधा पाकिस्तान को वोट जाता है.
Rana is contesting on a BJP ticket from the Amravati Parliament constituency in Maharashtra. Officials stated that Rana's remarks go against the Model Code of Conduct, which is in the place for the Lok Sabha elections. The police said, and I quote, "We got a complaint from the FST Flying Squad, EC, for the violation of rules. The complaint was given yesterday. Krishna Mohan, FST of EC, who is on election duty, has made a complaint on the comment. If voted for Rahul Gandhi, the vote goes to Pakistan." The police furthermore added, case has been filed under Section 188 of the Indian Penal Code. Well, it's not just about BJP's Navneet Rana commenting Congress as an anti-Hindu and pro-Pakistan party. BJP's political ad in the Marathi language in a newspaper caught an eye where it was written, "Where should your vote lead to celebration, India or Pakistan?" Well, my only simple question is, does the EC Model Code of Conduct allow an ad like this? And if not, why has the EC not taken any action against it? Returning to Navneet Rana, on Thursday, Rana strongly criticized AIMIM President Asaduddin Owaisi and his brother Akbaruddin Owaisi. She stated, and I quote, "If the police were not on duty for even 15 seconds, the brothers would be clueless about their whereabouts."
छोटा बोलता है कि पुलिस को 15 मिनट हटा दो तो हम दिखाएंगे बोले कि क्या कर सकते हैं. छोटे को मेरा कहना है तेरे को 15 मिनट लगेंगे छोटे और हमको सिर्फ 15 सेकंड लगेंगे. 15 सेकंड पुलिस को हटाया. 15 सेकंड अगर पुलिस को हटाया तो छोटे को बड़े को ये पता नहीं लगा कहां से आया और कहां को गया. सिर्फ 15 सेकंड लगेंगे हम लोगों को दूसरा मंच पे आ गए. बैठी है. मैं आप लोगों को इतना बताना चाहूंगी कि एमआईएम को और कांग्रेस को अगर हम मतदान करते हैं तो वो सीधा मतदान पाकिस्तान को जाता है.
These remarks faced intense backlash from Telangana Chief Minister Revant Reddy and AIMIM President Asaduddin Owaisi. Without naming her, Reddy urged election officials to take legal action and arrest the parliament member who made such provocative statements. He added, "She needs to be arrested. I am asking Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Minister Amit Shah, do you stand by your BJP leader's statement that she could cause harm to millions in just 15 seconds? If not, remove her from the party immediately and advise all BJP leaders to refrain from making such speeches." Lastly, here's a short snippet of our managing editor Sujit Nair in conversation with Mumbai BJP President Ashish Shelar. Catch the full interview today at 8 p.m. on HW News English. Well, that's all for this Mood Tiranga today. Thank you for watching HW News English. Download our app Shorts to get the latest news and updates.
When you are into politics and when you want to make a Modi Parivar as a big Parivar, and when you have to deal with the opposition which is trying to unite themselves and trying to finish you, Women's Party, in that sense, when you have addition in your Parivar, this question, this allegation comes. I welcome these allegations. I have no hesitation to reply to the same. But my reply is into the form of question. Those who are telling us as a washing machine, I am calling them as a painting machine.
What is the numbers that you see in Maharashtra?
Very frankly, what I see, the voting percent which has happened, the campaign which has been took place, and the candidates who have done a campaign, I feel that will surely cross 40 as alliance.
40.
40. 40.
A lot of
4th June, 4 p.m., 40 plus.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.